G'day guys, welcome back to Bush Rats. I'm Young Lee.
I'm Tony.
And today we're going to be camping in the middle of winter.
Trying out some new gear.
And fishing with a bucket of worms, seeing if we can get a redfin perch.
Oh
that is a huge perch,
I'm
mate.
shaking, bro.
We'll see you soon. Yo.
I heard someone say, leave that girl alone. I just can't help myself, like a dog with a bone. You know there ain't no way this could go south. But to my surprise, I realized within the first day.
Alright, we're just getting set up at camp. I'll give you a bit of a walk around. We're joined today by Uncle Jay as well.
Hello everyone. Big Joe! Big Joe!
Jay's down here with the Colorado. He's gone full tourer mode. He's got the rooftop tent, the pull-out kitchen, the canopy with the fridge. Got all the gear, mate.
All the gear, no idea.
Yep. Plenty of wood. It's going to be 0 degrees tonight. Here's Tone chopping up some sticks for his new little stove.
Got a little stove. Going to be giving that a run through. Also giving the Black Wolf Roebuck light a bit of a workout this evening. See if that'll keep us warm on these 0 degree nights.
Look at that. New tent. Old courier. New chair.
Same old, same.
Keeping it real. Keeping it groovy. Life's a garden. Dig it.
And I've brought out the old Woodlux for a bit of a spin for its first camping trip. Put the old canopy back on. What else is new with her? We got some new mud flaps put on. Picked up a second-hand bull bar. And as I say, put the tourer top back on. So tourer top. So that's me in the back. I just got the swag. I got a couple of Bluettis instead of a dual battery in this bad boy. So we're going to be spinning a few yarns about the Bluetti coming up soon. Trying that out. Currently got some pies in the oven here. That's lunch sorted. Got the angle, the old camping bags with all my shit in it, chair for sitting, table, fishing gear, and we're right on the water here. And we've got ourselves a bucket of worms. Might be time to get a line out.
If your line gets shook, set that hook.
Well said. Thank you. Alright, we're just getting geared up for some fishing. It's been piss and rain for the last couple of days. So the river's pretty high and all the worms are out in the paddock. So I've dug a heap of worms and we're just going to be running ball sinker on the bottom to a hook in red. And some, oh, show you, I've got some juicy worms in here. Look at this one. Yeah. Look at that for a worm. A nice big fat juicy worm there. And oh, we're a couple steps from the car, so we're just going to sit there, worms out, waiting for the bells. Let's get a line out, Tone. Oh, you're in. You're already in.
Line out, brother.
First worms going out. Out there. and see what happens. All right, while the worms are having a bit of a soak, Tony and Jay are having a bit of a flick with some lures. Need to spin a yarn about me new 12 volt setup in the old Woodlux. So if you would have seen on the previous episodes where we were doing the rodeo, I ran this Bluetti pretty much predominantly as the power source for it. So I've got the solar panels for it as well. We'd use it to run the fridge, the travel buddy as well, cooking up some pies, charging the phones, the drones, the cameras and all that sort of stuff. So Bluetti hit me up and asked if I wanted the upgraded model. Naturally I said yes. So I can use this in the Woodlux or the other dual cab one that doesn't have the dual battery setup. Actually ran this one in the single cab for ages, fucking almost about a year or two, so I gotta stop swearing too.
Fucking troopers.
Yeah, fucking true blue. So this one here, she's a little bit bigger. This one here actually ran the air fryer when the power went out the other day. Me and Tony did a video on the blue one trying to see all the different stuff that we can run on it. So we had bass guitars and amps and all sorts running on that. On this trip we've brought out some extra luxuries, if you may. So I've got the travel buddy that's currently going at the moment. It's going to be 0 degrees tonight, so I brought out a little electric heater. I think this thing will chew the power, but she should run it. And obviously we've got the angle and all the other camera gear and stuff that we'll be charging as well. So nice, compact, you can plug it straight in. I've also got the solar panels coming for it too. So when you're not camping, you can just take it out, use it around the house, in the shed. This slightly bigger one will run a grinder as well, probably not a welder. For camping, this is perfect, especially when you have too many Hiluxes like me, you can switch it between cars. We've been here for a couple of hours running the angle. Travel buddy, the pies are nearly done. Oh, they're pretty much nearly ready to go. 87%, still got 10 hours of running the travel buddy if that's what you want to do. So we'll unplug him. I'm just going to plug the fridge back in real quick. So running the fridge on 1 degree, it reckons we've got about 20 hours. So these are perfect for one night of camps. And like I said, if you want to go for a little longer, bring the solar panels. And I've never had a drama with the blue one going flat at all with the solar panels. So a lot cheaper. I think they're about $1,000, $1,200 to get one of these two models. And that will cover you just as well as a dual battery setup. Oh, we got bells, Tone. Tone might be on here, we might have to cut too. So you got USBs, you got 240. Jump on the Bluetti website to see all the specs. Check them out guys, Bluetti, good for power in your car if you can't be bothered setting up a full 12 volt system in there. Nice and compact. Let's get back to fishing. Look at that. Pick it up, take it with you. There we go, 87%. Been running the fridge and the travel buddy. Not bad. You want a pie? Oh, I got bites. Put me pie down. I'm off.
Done him.
I reckon just some small reddies hanging around. I've still got a bit of worm, but oh shit. Oh, fish on! Finally! What do we got? A redfin!
No way. Is it a good one? It's a good one.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Baby.
Bit over a shuckers. Oh, about a shuckers. What do you reckon, Jay?
Yeah, probably just a shucker, mate, just shucker.
There we go. First fish of the day on the worms. Powered by Bluetti. You want to keep this on, Tone?
Don't take it.
Where do you want him, mate?
I've got.
In here?
No.
Oh. In here?
Yeah.
How'd you go, Jay? Get any?
Nah, no luck, mate.
She's getting sucked off.
Got some weed. Only on the sinker. Try it again.
Big fish, big fish, big fish, big fish, big fish.
Tone's on here. It's just hit lunchtime. What do you got, mate?
It's coming. Oh.
Looks pretty big. Got some bend in that rod.
Finally got him coming back my way, I think.
We're camping on a spot we haven't fished in a long time.
Holy shit, get my net, get my net. In the far side, far side. Quick, quick, quick. Far side at the front. Up top, up top, up top. Quick, net it.
Oh, it's too big for the net. Whoa!
Yes.
Look at the size of that. Yeah, get him, get him.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Tony here on the new reel, on the little Daiwa. Oh
that is a huge perch,
I'm
mate.
shaking, bro. I am shaking.
Damn.
Let's get a measure on it, boy.
Look at that, that's like double and a half shuckers.
Is it?
That's huge.
40s?
Oh, easy 40s. That is a huge fish, bro. Hold it up.
But it was just like, my bait was on the bottom and I was trying to get the worm rod in, and next minute it started dragging the rod in.
Yes.
Started dragging the rod in. And then I thought I was never going to get it in.
Mad.
On 8-pound mono. No braid.
It's like a kid's rod.
No braid. On a kid's rod.
All right, we're gonna let Tony gather himself and we'll get some nice snaps of that thing.
Holy shit.
Got the brag mat out. Tony's gonna get a little measure on this big horse.
Oh.
What are we talking? What are we talking?
45?
45? What do you mean not that big?
Pretty
This far off being the 50.
5 centimeters, peeps. But
Thought we were quitting.
Bro.
We were quitting YouTube, getting the 50.
literally caught it on a 5.5 foot rod with a brand new spin cast reel I got from Daiwa. So it was a Daiwa 80 spin cast. It was running like 8-pound mono the whole way through. No leader, no braid.
Nothing.
And had to call Lee to get the net because thought she was going to snap me off.
Look at that. That is a stonker.
And clean up your eyes at least, would you?
40, yeah, bang on the 45. Nice one, mate.
Cheers, bro. Fucking
Making a movie.
been a while, but we knew it would happen. Couldn't have done it without Bluetti. Bluetti did all the hard work. Like we said before, if your line gets shook, better set that hook. And we did. You got splats on there. It's got a little.
Yeah, I've been welding, melted the glass. That's okay.
Levi, come look at this. It's just spat this up. Oh my god. It's more of a prawn. Look at it.
Oh, he's having a little bit of a spew. What is it? Oh, a little marron. A little yabby.
Well, it looks, yeah, it looks a lot like the Nomad yabby lures.
Alright, come back to camp and there's redfin on the worms. That was you that cast that out, AJ?
That was mine. You're taking my glory, but your rod, all good.
Another one in Tony's bag. Focus. Focus on the fish. Here you go, Tone. Tone's on the worms here.
Hey, Perchado. Oh, the hook slid the whole way down.
Fish on.
Get him, Lee.
Little shack size one.
Oh,
Chase.
Shaquille's way bigger than that. You dog. Suck me off.
What happened to Tony?
He got sucked off again.
Sucked off.
Yeah, Tony gets sucked off, so what?
Oh,
Fish on.
And then if you want to go out and do something, I'll put you ahead of me, Mum.
There you go. Another one for the bag, Tone.
I'll debag it.
Oh, another fish on the last worm.
Get it in, son.
Oh,
Yes!
I've still got half a worm.
Oh, go again, go again. Please, sir.
One for you.
Can I have some more?
They're really coming on the chew now that we've run out of worms.
Great.
Couple burgers for dinner tonight. I think Jay's making a stir fry over here. And what are you having,
I'm
Tone?
having a couple of heart attacks myself later.
Tone's gonna make some burgers on his little stove. Bluetti's cranking. I think we're up to 75%. Still been running the fridge all day.
Let's hear it for Bluetti, everybody.
Charging phones. But you wait, the temperature's dropping and we got a heater in there and the iPad. We're gonna watch some movies. It's gonna be all right. So we're gonna eat some dinner. We'll see you in a little bit.
Go, Bluetti.
Egg in a beard's like a vibe, eh? I'm making a mess already. Had 2 bites.
Yeah, just so you can't let go of it. That's
Yeah, you got to pick it up and that's it.
because you need a fucking serviette every time you put it down.
Yeah. Anyone got a knife and fork?
About to smash, brother. Let's get it on, baby. You know, talking now. Come on, baby.
Just crawled in bed, fired up the heater. Bluetti's still cranking. We got 60 something% there. See you in the morning. Where's my iPad? I'm watching a movie.
Got a couple of ratchet straps and a fucking couple of angry blokes. They get it done.
I reckon canvas with a rooftop tent, kind of like that. That'd be the setup.
I'm scared of heights.
Or just a swag will do this fucking.
It's hard being up here, you know, in the stratosphere.
Stop living up here. You can live down here.
But hot air rises.
I'll give you a big tip. There wasn't much fucking hot up there last night.
Nah, a couple of bars, that would have been about it. Oh, you got a solar on the front of it.
There we have it, guys. Another little camping adventure done and dusted. How'd it go?
Great time out here. Great little camp spot. Great fishing.
It was cold last night.
It was cold. It was 0 this morning.
Yep.
Quite
I had the heater cranking. We killed the Bluetti. That's ran out of juice, but we made it through.
frosty, but we did it.
Yep.
It was a great time.
Nice sized perch from Tony. Thanks again to Bluetti for keeping the power on and keeping me warm. Jay, thanks for coming out as well, mate.
No worries.
Cheers, Jay, the artist formerly known as Jay.
Uncle Jay.
Uncle Jay.
The Jay.
But we'll see you guys next time out on the tracks. Like and subscribe. We'll be out of here.
Send us some mail.
You.
Oh, you didn't do your mail.